and welcome back to another instrument cluster repair video brought to you by Cluster Repairs UK. Today we're zooming in on a common problem found in the Mercedes W447 V-Class instrument cluster. These instrument clusters typically have two main display faults. Either the screen completely fails, showing no information at all, or it becomes extremely dim due to failed backlighting, making it very difficult to read clearly. Here at Cluster Repairs UK, we specialise in fully restoring these displays. Our professional repair service not only fixes these issues completely, but also comes with our exclusive lifetime warranty for total peace of mind. Take a look at the finished result after our expert repair. Bright, clear, and fully functioning, just like the day it rolled off the production line. Cluster Repairs UK has been trusted by industry professionals since 1986, providing premium repair services, award-winning customer support, and operating from two conveniently located UK workshops. Booking your repair couldn't be simpler. You can choose our mail-in service, drop it off directly, or even schedule a convenient while you wait appointment. Cluster Repairs UK makes the entire repair process quick, easy, and completely hassle-free. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you again very soon.